Welcome back to another video. Today I have a different camera. So this is a 4K action camera, and this one is a waterproof 4K action camera. Let me focus on the specification. It can record 4K up to 30 fps or at 720p at 120 fps. And let's open it and see what's inside the box. So this one have a camera and some documentation at the bottom. Let's put them on side, and there's another box in it. There's no branding on it. It's just simple clean white box. So let's take out the camera. Let's put that on one side. So this is the documentation. And this seems to be a remote to stop recording. Okay, let's open this box and see what's inside this one. These are a couple of straps. There are many things in it. Let's take everything out. Okay, so these are a couple of zip ties and a lens cleaner cloth. So this one is a battery charger. So to have two places to charge two batteries at the same time. So I assume there are two batteries in this whole package. This is a case. Some installation plate. Seems like some stickiness at the bottom. So this is the first battery. And let's put it back and put that on one place for now. Some more straps, some other installation hardware, one so it can power with the micro USB. Okay, so it seems like this micro USB we can charge the batteries with it, or the camera can power up with that. This is another strip flap. So this is the one where we can put the camera in and put it on the bike or on your shoulder or whatever, wherever you want to put it. And these are some of the stuff. This is an extra back camera plate, another plate to mount this camera somewhere. So this is the microphone, so I assume there should be an input port on the camera. So let's look on the take a look on the camera. So this case seems to be pretty strong, and it's waterproof up to 131 feet. So let's open it. They have a pretty strong rubber around it. Let's take out the camera. Camera is pretty small, and this case, it's quite strong. The one side. This camera have a battery in it. So one battery is already installed in the camera and the other one they just provide that with the package. So we have two batteries with the camera, and let's see if it's charged. But first let's remove the plastic. Okay. And now turn on the camera. The button is on the front of the camera. Let's press it and it's on. There isn't the plastic on the lens. Okay. So on the side it have three inputs. One is for micro USB. I'm assuming this one is for the data transfer and for charging. The other one is HDMI out, and the third one is for the microphone that we saw that earlier. So we can install a microphone directly on it. There's no memory card in it, and it seems like it does not have any internal storage. So we have to install an SD card, and that SD card is not part of this whole package. Let me grab one micro SD card. Okay, let's install this micro SD card. So without that case, this I don't think this camera is a single drop waterproofed, because this I can't see any rubber sealing around it. There is no protection on the even on the micro SD card slot.